Welcome everyone. I'm so glad that we are meeting for a quick hands-on fully practical desktop version on Google Meet. So let's begin without wasting any moment. The first thing which you will have to do is you have two things in your hand. Either you can open browser and you can log into your Gmail account. From there you can go to Google Meet, or directly you can write meet.google.com. So it will open the Google Meet page. Once you are here, let me tell you, you have to log in through an account which you use from any Gmail account of yours. So once you are here and logged in your Gmail account, you will have to start a new meeting. For a teacher or an organizer, you have to start a new meeting, or if you want to join a meeting as a participant or as a student, then you have to mention the code or the link over here, and then you have to press join. So since it's the first time, let's click on new meeting. Get a meeting link to share. Once you have got this is your Google Meet link class code TFPUOCJEMY. Now this keeps on changing. This is the entire link where this much is the Meet code. You can copy this information by clicking here, and you can give it in your WhatsApp group or through mail or through any other medium to your participants. So I will start the new meeting. You can start an instant meeting also. And then you can share the meeting code. You have to wait for a while, and you will be able to join in just a moment. It is getting ready. The camera is starting. If you are doing through laptop, you have an integrated camera. So here is your camera which is on. So now your video is on. Now if you want to switch off your video, you have to click here, and if you want to switch off your audio, then you have to click here. That will make you inaudible, and this will hide your video. So if I click here, see, the camera is off. Again, to switch on the camera, you have to click here. Again you are visible. And to mute yourself, you have to click here. Now your microphone is off. Again you have to click here. Your microphone gets on. So let me switch. Now join now. Click on join now. Don't click on present now. First you join the meeting, then also you can present. Now if you want, you can copy the joining information, and then you can share it through any medium, either WhatsApp or through mails. You can add people by clicking here. You can write the name or email of whom you want to add. Suppose you want to add Agnishwar, your student. You have clicked here. You want to add some more student. You can click here. So likewise, you can click. So let me add Agnishwar and then click on send email. So as soon as you click on send email, this student Agnishwar, he will get an email in his inbox. He will have to accept that and then he can join this meeting. So now you are ready for the meet. Here also you can turn off your microphone, you can turn on your microphone, you can turn off your video, you can turn on your video. Now, what are these captions? Captions are, if you turn on the caption, whatever I am saying, it will display. See, whatever I am saying, it is displaying here. So caption is likewise. No need to type. Everything is displayed through text message. This is better when participants, if there is any participant who is here, who is having hearing impaired, a hearing problem, so let's turn off the caption. See, after I have turned it off, it is not being shown. Now see, my video is on. Show everyone. If you click here, it will show you who all are there in the participants list. If your students get added, their names will be shown here. Chat. Here you can type your message if you want to chat. You have to write the message over here and it will be displayed to all. Hello all. You can write, give your attendance in the class, whatever you feel, you can write in the chat box. I am closing this. See, in the meanwhile, the student has joined. So let's see who has joined. It is showing people too. And Agnishwar Bhattacharya, he has joined. He has kept his audio mute as well as his video hidden. So that is why I am not able to see that student. He has kept his audio and video both mute. This one is for yourself. Now if you want to see yourself, again you have to click on your picture. Now see what all things we can do. If you want to present now, then you can click on present now. Now it will show you your entire screen, a window or a Chrome tab. Now if you say that yes, I want to display only a window, you can do that. Now you click on a window to select or to present a window. You have to select which window you want to display. So since I have not opened any windows, it is not showing, so let me cancel it. Again, if you want to present an entire screen, that also you can do. So just click on your entire screen and your entire screen will be visible to others. Now you can hide or you can do stop sharing. So let me hide this notification and then you just go to the desktop and open the particular presentation, or any file, PDF, PPT, or any image which you want to share to your students, you want to explain, and start explaining. So once you have started explaining your file, after completion of this, now you can again go back click on stop sharing. Now you can come back to the Meet. You have stopped sharing, so whatever you wanted you have presented to your students or to the participants. Now few more thing, here you have more options. If you want to go for a full screen view, you can click here. If you want to change the layout, you can do that. You can go for a spotlight one, or you can go for a sidebar view or tiled view. So whatever you want. If there are multiple participants, then it's clearer. Now captions I have already shown. Settings, you can click on settings. You can go for audio, video, change, general, whatever you want to change, audio, video, whatever you want to select. You want to select the integrated webcam. If you have it in your laptop or any other webcam you have attached to it, you can click there. If you want to change the audio, if you have a default microphone, then it's okay. And if you want to add any other separate microphone you have in your desktop or laptop, then you can select it by clicking over here. So since I have a default one, so I'm not changing anything. And speakers also, you can test that. And again clicking on this ellipsis, these three buttons, you have more options. You can check that. If you want to report a problem to the Google community, you can do that by clicking here, and straight away you will be taken to that particular feedback screen. If you want to give a screenshot of this, that also you can do. If you want to give, so I'm cancelling since I don't want to give any feedback right now to the Google community. This is for your help. And if you want to report any abuse, suppose if you want to complain against anyone, then you can click here and report abuse. Straight away you will be taken to that. You will have to write the abuse type. Is it spam or unwanted content? Suppose any of the participant whom you don't know is harassing you, whatever problem you are facing, whatever kind of abuse you are facing, you have to select that. So once you have selected, then you have to display the name of the abuser with the which name the abuser has joined, and then you have to describe the issue. This is optional, and then you have to click on report. So now since I don't have to complain right now, so I'm closing it. And finally you have help. This will also take you to the browser will open, and it will take you to the Google Meet help section, where you will get multiple the help issues, whatever you need. The Google Meet community will give you those. It will tell you about how you can work with Google Meet. Different types of options are there. So if you click on any of these are tutorial kind of a thing which you will get. So I don't want to show I don't want to go into the details of this. So let me close this particular help. Well, now you have learned the different options which you have. Let me close this meeting details, and let me tell you about the Chrome extensions quickly, how you can go for the Chrome extensions, and I will tell you about all the Chrome extensions in my next video. So keep watching. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay alert, stay healthy, stay fit and fine. Thank you for patiently watching my videos.